3 homes to the ground.
At 12:30, you could still see the lights on in the house. And when I came back at 5:30 this morning,
No lights.
it was on the ground.
It's gone.
Dry and hot conditions could mean a long road ahead for firefighters, and there are excessive heat warnings through the weekend.
A woman was simply trying to spend the 4th of July at her neighborhood pool with her child when things took a turn. Adam Bloom, the pool chairman for the Homeowners Association in Winston-Salem, not only asked to see her ID proving she lived there, but called the cops as well. Jasmine Edwards says no one else was asked for their ID.
I feel this is racial profiling. I'm the only black person here with my son in the pool.
Well, Bloom has since resigned as pool chairman, and his employer fired him, saying the incident in no way reflects the core values of our company. And 7 is on your side with a health alert tonight from the state of Maryland. Don't eat crab meat from Venezuela. Now, this is because of an infection risk. The health department says it is investigating a group of infections, all from crab imported from Venezuela. Maryland crab, though, is not associated with this.
Well, here's something to add to your to-do list this weekend. The National Building Museum unveiling a new exhibit. Funhouse includes a giant ball pit and a giant interactive house. If that ball pit looks familiar, that's because it was part of the museum's 2015 beach exhibit. Admission costs $16, and you can check out other exhibits there as well. It is open through September 3rd. And there are also metro service adjustments to keep in mind this weekend. On the Red Line, buses replace trains between Judiciary Square and Rhode Island Avenue. Orange, silver, and blue line trains run every 26 minutes, yellow and green every 15 minutes.
Well, fans of UFO conspiracy theories, this is your big chance. That's right. For the first time in more than 70 years, the Roswell UFO crash site in New Mexico is open to the public.
Some say it's all a hoax. Others say it is proof of extraterrestrial life. Back in 1947, officials first called the object found there a flying saucer, but later retracted that statement and called it a weather balloon. It is open until July 9th, so you really don't have that much time now to fly down to New Mexico and check this out and investigate for yourself.
It'd be interesting to find out why they chose this time and for this
The
amount
aliens
of time.
coming there.
No. I mean to open it to the public.
Oh, yes.
Saying people can go.
Okay.
Also the aliens, yeah.
Why
And
they
the
chose
aliens.
this place.
Why did
at
they
that
choose
time.
Roswell? I don't know.
Oh,
Okay, well, let's talk about the beautiful weather ahead.
Yes. Today was kind of like our night of transition. It was still muggy for a lot of us, but now I think even if you have to let the dog out or anything, you'll notice the difference is out there now.
Nice.
So the drier air taking over. At this point, you can see here our dew point has dropped into the low 60s for Reagan National, 83 degrees for our current temperature. So it feels just 1 degree warmer, and that is a big difference. A lot of this week, our air temperature versus our feels like temperature, we're about 10 degrees different. So this is going to be a step in the right direction. Right now, it's actually 83 in D.C., but that is one of the outliers. A lot of the region already in the low to mid 70s, so a much more comfortable night. If maybe, depending on where you live, if you're far enough out, you could probably open up the windows right downtown. It's still going to be a little warm to do that just yet. As we take a look here, cloud cover still in place, but this is going to clear out from north to south, and by tomorrow morning, we're in the 50s for Frederick and Hagerstown, Winchester 57, mid 60s for D.C., a little bit warmer in Annapolis, but for most of us, this will be a very refreshing morning, especially compared to where we've been. So if you've been putting off the jogs or the nice long walks outside because it's been so hot and muggy, tomorrow morning is your chance. 68 at 7, we're up to just 74 by 11, so even pretty comfortable as we get closer to lunchtime. Your high temperature tops out 80 degrees, much lower humidity. That really is the big headline. Of course, the temperatures are cooler, but we lose that mugginess. So heading into tomorrow evening, awesome night for the fireworks there in Alexandria. When they start going off here closer to 9 o'clock, temperatures working their way into the mid 70s, really going to be a nice night. Sunday, great pool day, just a little cool early in the morning. By lunchtime, we're at 80 degrees, 83 for you by 4, staying really nice. Now, I do want to work our way back out a little bit farther here into the ocean. So there is Hurricane Beryl, and that's just down much farther to the south, still days away from reaching any islands. But this, even though it's just Tropical Depression 3, not really a name yet, if it does become a storm or a hurricane, it would be Chris. But this one more likely to bring us some issues closer toward the beaches. Not expecting it to make landfall, but because it kind of just sits and spins out here all weekend long and into early next week, right here closer to the Outer Banks, Virginia Beach, even Ocean City, I think rip current's going to be a big issue for us, especially Sunday and into early next week. It is on track to become a Cat 1 hurricane, but at that point it is moving farther out to sea. So if you hear about Tropical Depression 3 or Tropical Storm Chris, that's that one right there. 80 degrees tomorrow, 83 Sunday, beautiful weather at home. It does get hotter into next week, but again, I don't think it will be quite as humid as what we have out there from this past week. So all in all, looking forward to a nice summer week.
All right, Josh, thank you. And you know, Netflix is getting ready to up the ante, but the new features are going to cost you.
Plus, what's wrong with this stamp? We're going to tell you why it led to a multi-million-dollar fine against the U.S. Postal Service.
Hi, Crystal Coons here to let you know that our huge Coons 4th of July sales event has been extended until midnight Monday. But hurry, these are the final days. When you're talking